The dust of Chitwan, Nepal, danced wildly like a drunk uncle at weddings. In this chaos ran Bilaf, dodging schoolmasters with bamboo sticks. He climbed tall trees and imagined himself as an angel, punching demons. Mother Jamuna, the household son, cooked, scolded, and prayed.
Each tap plants a money tree. A money tree from tapping? Really? Yes, we can grow our savings.
Father Booty convinced everyone to farm Pi cryptocurrency on his phone, tapping daily like a ritual, promising riches. But one winter evening, a scam via group chat made him transfer away all his coins.
Now they took everything.
You gave them mine too?
Dreams deleted. Jamuna gasped. Booty wept. He sat betrayed by his phone.
Why did you trust the stranger?
Because he sounded honest.